Hello guys, and welcome back to the last class of our course about the complete introduction to marketing with Instagram. So basically right now we have reached the end of our course. I hope you guys really liked what you just saw. My goal here was really to give you a brief understanding of Instagram, so from creating your account, from all the basics, from account creation to basically everything that you need to know to grow your following base. So what we're going to do right now, we're just gonna repass what we talked about in this course and talk about the next steps that you guys can basically take. So we saw many things in this course. First of all, we had a presentation of Instagram and different benefits of using it for your business. We had created an account, so basically we had account creation. So we created an account and I explained how to basically promote your account as well. So after the account creation, we talked about the advantages of having multiple Instagram accounts. So basically not only having one account, but more than one account. And we said that it's a good way to have more than one account, especially for promotion and to use it as security for backup. Basically to your main account. So having 2 or 3 other accounts could be a good way. Basically using them as a promotion to grow your first account, and you can use it as a promotion strategy. I used it in my previous accounts, and basically it's a good way to grow an Instagram business account by simply having more than one account and writing down a reference to your main account. Then we talked about understanding your competition. So basically different ways that you guys can understand your competition, identifying it, and basically we really talked about the competition. We talked about adding different informations in buttons, connecting Instagram and Facebook and why you should do this. We talked about strategies of growing your Instagram from 0 to 1,000, from 1,000 to 5,000, and finally from 5,000 to unlimited. And what's the difference between those 3 elements? And basically simply adding some more things. So from 0 to 1,000, you will add some little things from 1,000 to 5,000, and then add again things from 5,000 to unlimited. We had an introduction to Instagram robots and basically if you should use it. Once again, this is 100% up to you. We talked about picture modification, how followers can become consumers, and finally we talked about hashtags on your posts. So I really tried to be as straight to the point as possible with this course. I didn't want to play around and do a lot of case studies and try to do a 20-hour course. My goal here was really to teach you the strategies that I personally use, and in my opinion, simply by applying those strategies into your Instagram account, you should grow pretty fast. So from 0 to 5,000, as I said, in a matter of weeks. Once again, I'm not saying here that it's gonna take you 2 or 3 weeks. In my opinion, from 0 to 5,000 will take you at least a good 3 months if you use correctly the strategies that we talked about in the previous classes. If you have a schedule and you really are using it the right way. But you will have, if you do it the right way, in my opinion, it's pretty, well, it's a good, well, you can think that it's pretty possible, in my opinion, in 3 months, from 3 to maybe 4 or 5 months. It could be a good way for you guys to reach this goal of 5,000 followers. Once again, you need to stay disciplined and really post on a daily basis. You'll see at first it's going to be a bit longer, but the more you will grow, the more it's going to be easier and the more followers will come. So what's next? Pretty simple. I suggest you guys to really jump into action now that you have completed the course. Start out your Instagram account and try to follow as much as possible everything that you guys have learned in this course. Once again, results are never guaranteed. So for some people it will work way more easier than other people, and you have a lot of different variables right there. For example, what type of account you have, who is your targeted audience. Is it simple to reach that targeted audience? Is the way you implement using the strategy the right way? So basically right here at that moment, what you need to do is pretty simple. You start out your account, you start using the strategies that you have learned, and then you will simply check it out on a daily basis and check what works, what doesn't work. And sometimes it's just some slight modifications in, for example, some pictures that you post, in the description that you make, maybe adding sometimes a contest. Some slight modifications can sometimes bring to really, really good results. You'll see what I teach you in this course is really a general strategy that, in my opinion, works pretty well, but you need to give your own personalized touch at the end. And this is what will make your account really unique compared to other accounts. And in my opinion, this is what will help you really grow your account exponentially. So to conclude this course, once again, I'm really happy to have been your teacher for the past few classes. Once again, I try to be as straight to the point as possible, not playing around, showing straight and simple examples that you guys can learn, and give you really strategies that you guys can use to grow from 0 to 5,000 people at least in the next few weeks. Once again, I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty convinced that if you guys use all those strategies the right way, you should have results pretty fast. So once again, happy to have been your teacher for the past few classes, and to have taught you using marketing on Instagram and growing your Instagram account. And see you all in my other courses.